This is the MedEquip investor pitch submission for SafeShot for the 2016 Conrad Spirit of Innovation Challenge. In cities across America, thousands of people contract bloodborne illnesses annually from repeated use of dirty needles and intravenous drug use. Every year in the United States, over 800,000 needle stick injuries occur among healthcare workers. 95% of these injuries occur during use, after use, and during disposal of needles and syringes. Any one of these incidents with used needles has the potential of exposing a person to over 20 different bloodborne pathogens, including HIV, hepatitis B, and hepatitis C, all from a single, preventable needle stick. From the team at MedEquip comes a revolutionary new syringe design that will be the answer to this health problem. SafeShot. SafeShot comes packaged in the position shown. In this cutaway view, you can see the inner workings of our product. Notice the large compressed spring coiled around the barrel of SafeShot, shown in green. Loading SafeShot is an easy process. Once SafeShot is released from its packaging, this large spring will decompress and push against the prongs extending from the plunger, moving the plunger upwards and drawing liquid into the barrel of SafeShot. The speed with which liquid is drawn up, as well as the amount of liquid, can be regulated by the person holding the syringe. They can do this by applying pressure to the top of the plunger. By pressing down on the syringe, the liquid inside the barrel of SafeShot can be delivered through the needle. The prongs on the sides of the plunger will then once again compress the large spring, and when the plunger is fully compressed, the plunger tip will depress the needle assembly, shown in purple, releasing it. As the person holding the syringe lessens pressure on the plunger, causing the plunger to move upwards, the needle assembly will be drawn into the syringe as a smaller spring coiled around the needle assembly decompresses. Once the dirty needle fully retracts into SafeShot, the mechanism that prevents reuse of the SafeShot syringe is triggered. In this cutaway view, a compressed spring sits behind a rod, shown in brown. This rod is braced against the extended hypodermic needle, shown in gray. Once the needle retracts, the spring is able to decompress, pushing the rod forward until it hits the opposite wall of SafeShot. The needle is now blocked from exiting the barrel of SafeShot, and containment of the dirty needle can be quickly tested by pressing down on the plunger. When looking at competing safe syringe products, syringes fall into four main categories: sheathing tube syringes, hinged needle covers, spring retractable syringes, and sliding needle covers. However, all of these categories have their own problems that have kept them from becoming widely used on the hospital market. These problems include everything from difficulty learning to use the syringe to lack of confirmation that the safety mechanism has engaged. More importantly, these are all problems that SafeShot addresses. SafeShot solves the two main problems of hypodermic syringes: reuse and accidental needle sticks. Through its design, SafeShot draws in the used needle in a controlled manner without the need of placing fingers near the exposed needle, or the health hazards, such as aerosolized particles, that other needle containment methods present. SafeShot additionally securely locks the dirty needle within itself, allowing the whole syringe to be disposed of with no chance of needle sticks or reuse. SafeShot, making our hospitals and lives safer.